There, 'tis I once again, earthmanbrick, returning for another MDF build. Also back is the time-lapse footage, requested by the Punkster himself, who said, "Cool build, bud. Are you ever going to go back to the time-lapse sped-up videos where we see your projects being built? I miss those. I understand it's more annoying to do though. Can be, but you know what? I live for my audience, so yeah, they're coming back." So here is the model completely painted, and yeah, I like to think it turned out pretty well. We've added armor plates to the front, we've added a few little lights here and there that are mostly made out of hole-punched card, very easy to assemble. In terms of the paint job itself, thrown in some browns just to add shading, then we've stippled with various browns just to add a spot of weathering. Very basic stuff, kept it nice and simple. I'll be interested in what you guys think of this build, so please comment below. It not only helps me improve my videos, but lets me know that you're interested in this content. Thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next video.